Hey guys, your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, you know what it is. Welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about my new product, which is the Real Blue body lotion. It is mixed berry scented, and these are the 8-ounce bottles. It will come in the white cap. I'm not releasing the black caps yet, so it'll just be the white caps for now. I don't know if I want to do the white or the black. Just comment in the comment section down below and let me know which one you prefer, the white or the black cap, the disc cap or the pump top. So these are the disc caps, they're the pump tops. So the pump tops also come in black and white. So I don't know if I want to do the white or if I want to do the black. Sorry. And then also they'll come with the matching shower gels, which will also be mixed berry scented. And these, you will have a choice to choose from either the blue shower gel or the purple. And these will also come with the white tops. And again, I don't know if I want to do white or black. So if you have any suggestions, white or black, comment in the comment section down below. These will be releasing soon. But if you want first dibs on these, I advise you to go ahead and subscribe to my email list at realblewcosmetics.com. I'll be dishing out coupons for you all to get free shipping on these, and then it'll be first come first serve. And then also the hand soaps. I only have 3 of the vanilla and ginger with marshmallow left over, so if you have not gotten these are still available. I have 3 of these left. These are $4.99 on the website with free shipping. And then I also have the crushed peppermint cream, have 3 of these available as well. And so if you still have not gotten these will be on the website to the end of January, and then I'll be discounting these if they are not sold by then. So again, I only have 3 left of the crushed peppermint cream, and then 3 left of the vanilla and ginger with marshmallow. So I just want to let y'all know this thing right here, this was one of my Christmas gifts Bae got me. And this is so beautiful, y'all. I don't know if you really can't see it. This ring light is just taken away from it. I'm gonna post a picture of it. But this is a real flower, y'all. This is a real flower in real water. And I thought it was a lifetime flower, but unfortunately, from what I read, it only lasts 3 months. But this thing is so beautiful. Like, he did good. I really, really like, out of all my gifts that I got for Christmas, this one by far pretty much just took my breath away. I love, love, love this. Like, I just wish it could last forever, but I guess it's not going to. But back to what I was saying. So I'll be doing a free giveaway. I'll be doing a free giveaway of the 4-ounce body shower gel and the 4-ounce body lotion. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned for that. And I'll be doing that at my 100th subscriber here on YouTube. Only thing that I ask that you do to enter, simply, like I said, on Instagram, like, follow, and share. Like, follow, and share. I'll be posting a post today about my free giveaway. So once I post that, the only thing you have to do to enter is like that post, follow if you're not a current follow, and share that post. Simple as that. And then you're entered. And once I hit my 100th follower, I'll be shipping out 1 4-ounce shower gel and 1 4-ounce body lotion. So stay tuned for that. And then before I go, so if you are currently following me, you know that my previous videos, I talked about my unfortunate hair loss. I talked about how my hair just started shedding for no obvious reason. So I went ahead and put a really cheap quick weave in. And as you can see, this weave is still lasting. I done had it in for about 2 weeks. I only paid about $20, $30 for it. I'll be posting a video if you'd like to see how I installed this. And so I put it up just to decide kind of what I was going to do with my hair, considering I wanted to just try to keep my hands out of it. So that's why I put the quick weave in, kind of helped me keep my hands out of it. And so I decided I am going to go ahead and ditch all these products, because as you know, that we all have a Sally's at home, where most of us do. This is what my current, can you see it? And that's not even, like, that's not even half. This back is heavy. That's not even half that. I'm sorry, y'all, my phone about to die, so it looks like I'm gonna have to go. yeah, as I was saying, so I'm gonna ditch out my old hair products and get back to the basics. I was watching a previous YouTuber and it made sense. Like she was saying how when we were younger, all we did was use Blue Magic. Like, duh, it wasn't no LCO, no LOC. But I'm like, duh, genius. It wasn't no hair growth oil this, hair growth oil that, protect your ends this. Like, it was simply shampoo your hair with whatever shampoo you had. I don't even think it was no deep conditioning back then. And then simply some Blue Magic. So currently I've been starting back to use the Blue Magic Original Super Grow. And then I also have the regular Blue Magic, which is kind of hard to come by for some reason. And then the Blue Magic with castor oil. So I'm going to mix all three of those and I'm going to start using those. But like I said, I plan on, because I've been a little depressed with my hair situation, I've decided even after all my hard work and it's been coming out, I might as well go ahead and do whatever it is that I want to do to my hair. So I'll be coloring it. I'll be using this new brand called Pravana that I did some research on, found on a YouTuber's channel, and she loves it. So I'm gonna try it myself to see how my hair does with it. And I'll be posting that video soon. So I'm not gonna tell you what color I'm gonna color my hair. But if you can guess, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do 2 giveaways. If you can guess what color I'm gonna dye my hair, comment in the comment section down below and I'm gonna send you a free gift. I'll send you a free gift. I'll send you one of these body lotions or shower gels. How about that? Comment in the comment section down below what color you think I'm gonna dye my hair this week, and I will send you a free gift. So like I said, I'll be doing 2 free giveaways. I'll be doing one at 100 followers, and then I'll also be doing a free giveaway for whoever guessed the color I'll be dyeing my hair. So good luck to everybody. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.